I'm going to add texture to this simple house. First of all, I'm going to add a roof. So I'm just going to draw a shape that will define the space for the roof. Now the reason this texture has come up straight away is because I've got highlighted the pattern place. If I click that button, it's like a toggle. It'll switch on or off if I've got the area selected. Now that obviously isn't a pattern for the material that I wanted. I'm going to try and get the effect of corrugated iron. So if I double click in that and go to material symbols, and this Ishfelt pattern here will give me a line weight that is similar to what, or line direction and pattern similar to what I would like. But of course the angle is not running downwards like I would like to have it on my drawing. So what I'm going to do is measure this angle. I'm going to measure this angle, and I'm going to measure this angle here, and it says it's 309. So I'm going to click back into this pattern. I'm going to change this measurement to 309, and you can see the pattern is running in the angle that I want to, that is running parallel to the sides. I'd like to have a finer pattern on the roof, so again clicking on that pattern, and you can see we've got a scale button down here. I'm going to reduce that to a finer pattern running across the roof. I'm going to try another pattern on the side here. So I'll just draw around this shape. Pick the same pattern, and I'm going to simulate weatherboards, and I'm going to pick up the angle again. Now sometimes it's hard to pick up this angle if you have got the snap on, so right clicking and taking that snap off will help you. So I'm going to pick that angle, and I want it to match up to this angle, and I've got a measurement of 18. So again, I'll click on here, I'll change that to 18. Now you can see this doesn't work. Obviously I've got my measurements wrong. I'm going to try and add a minus sign and see if that works. And now it's running parallel to the drawing. We could do very much the same thing on the floor, putting in floorboards on the floor in the same way, and that will help with placing those patterns in there.